nowadays. Let's see the change after the arrival of smartphone. Oh, what a change. Now let's see how calmly people shared their lunch and dinner, and there was sharing and caring. What about now? No sharing, no caring. Playtime was used to be a fun time for children when mobile phones were not there. They were busy playing outdoor games like cricket, football, etc. But nowadays, all are just busy in playing games and in social media like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube. No outdoor games, no physical exercise. It's a worrying condition. Helping people in their need was considered to be their moral values. But nowadays, there is no help. Just all are busy in capturing the videos and taking selfies. Parents could easily pacify their children when children were angry. Children were easily pacified by their chocolates, ice cream, etc. But nowadays, children only need mobile phone to get engaged. Previously, kids used to make friends easily and were studying together. But nowadays, kids are just busy with their mobile phones only. But when they are putting their phones away, then see the condition. They are all becoming friends and studying together.